Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great. Where
That's
are you
good.
from?
I'm from Ireland. Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. Okay,
Yes.
good. What part of India?
Uh, Jammu and Kashmir, northern part.
Kashmir. Kashmir.
Yes, you know Kashmir?
Okay. I know Kashmir, the fabric, I assume, comes from
Oh.
Kashmir in India, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, good. Your name is Sahiba?
Yes, my name is Sahiba, and what's your name?
My name is Killian. Nice to meet you.
Kilian. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, tell me some more about yourself, Sahiba.
My name is Sahiba. I am from India. Right
I know
now, I
that,
am living
yes.
in Jammu and Kashmir. I am student. I am studying in 12th grade. I am 17 years old.
Okay, so you're still in high school then, you mean by 12th grade, yes?
Yes, yes, high school.
Okay, good. And so you will finish high school soon and go to university, yes?
Yes, next year I will go to college.
Where do you want well, first what do you want to study?
Actually, I want to become an Islamic scholar.
You want to become an Islamic scholar. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And so would you study this in India or would you go abroad to study this?
Yes, abroad.
So where would you like to go?
Maybe I will. Where are you from?
I am from Ireland.
Ireland. Where is Ireland?
Oh, you need to study your geography more.
I know Ireland. Okay, so yes.
I'll tell you where Ireland is. Ireland is beside England and Britain.
Okay, okay, England.
Yeah, beside England.
I thought US.
No, no, I'm not from the US. Europe.
Okay, so I will next year. Um I will go to US
The US.
to get
You're going to study
education.
I-
Yes,
Islamic studies in the US?
yes, yes.
Oh, I thought you'd go to Pakistan or Saudi Arabia or somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So the US has a
Mhm.
good Islamic studies program.
Yes.
Which part of the US would you like to go to?
Uh, California.
Okay. Okay, I see.
Yes. Okay, so what's your profession?
English. English teaching.
Cambly?
English, yeah. Not just Cambly, other websites as well and other jobs.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm
So,
in Poland. I'm in Poland now. I teach Polish adults on weekday
mm-hmm,
nights, and I just use Cambly for some other hours when I have free time for more
mm-hmm.
money.
So what do you do in your free time?
What do I do in my free time? I like reading because I
Mm-hmm.
love English. I like reading English books, of course.
What kind of books you read?
Oh, all kind of books, but usually older books. I don't usually read new
Older.
releases
Mm-hmm.
because, you know, I think if a book is old and we know about it, there's probably a good reason for that. It might not be a good book, but it might do something special or it connected with people in a certain way. But a
Mm-hmm.
new book, any new book I get, it could be a really bad book and no one will know about it in 10 years. So if I think time is a good way of sorting out the bad from the good or the bad from the interesting. So
Mm-hmm.
any book we know about this time later, it's going to be interesting in some way.
Okay.
So right now I'm reading science fiction from 100 years ago.
Oh, science.
H.G. Wells. I don't
Sorry?
know if you H.G. Wells is the name of the writer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I'm reading a book from 1902 about people going to the moon, which
Mm-hmm.
is funny
Yeah,
because
yeah.
that's something we did eventually.
Oh, wow.
But this is when it was fantasy. This is when it was like using imagination to go to the moon.
Yes.
It was like unrealistic, but then reality happened and now we can do it for
Mm-hmm.
real. So it's kind of funny to see what people back then thought about
Yeah.
space and going to the moon and what they knew and what they didn't know. Mm. So
Oh,
I like
okay.
this.
So, what time is it there?
What time is 25 past 8 here?
What?
What time is 25 minutes past 8,
Okay.
8 p.m.
Here it's 11:35 p.m.
Okay. What time will
Yes,
you go to
it's
bed at,
night
Saiba?
here.
It's night here too. 8:30. That's why it's my face is
Oh,
kind of blue. I have a
yeah,
light here,
yeah.
but it's not good enough.
Mm-hmm.
That, that's a bit better. Yeah.
Yeah.
I should get a light
So,
on this side too.
mhm.
What time do you go to sleep at, Sahiba?
I sleep uh, 12
I go
o'clock.
to sleep. I
Yes,
go to
12.
sleep.
I go to sleep 12 p.m.
Okay. So after this lesson, will you go to? Oh, we only have 4 minutes left. We did a
Yes.
short one.
Yeah.
So you will get ready for
So,
bed after this lesson. Yes.
yeah. So, do you live with your family?
I don't live with my family. My family lives in Ireland. I live in Poland.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
You are married?
No, I'm not married. I am
Okay.
single.
Okay. So, how old are you?
How old do I look?
Mm, 26.
26. Oh, you're not far. I am 27.
Oh,
But
27.
I will be 28 next month.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Why do you ask?
Okay.
You asking about my family. You think I am living with my family?
Yeah.
You think I'm living with my parents, or you think I have a wife and kids?
Yeah, yeah. I think your wife.
I don't have a wife. No, not yet.
Okay.
Maybe in the future we will see. But right
Mm-hmm.
now I go to different countries every year, so it's not easy to find someone because
Mm-hmm.
one I
Uh,
spent 1 year in China, 1 year in
mhm.
Japan, 1 year in Thailand, and now Poland. So it's I move all the time.
Have you ever been visit in India?
No, I've never visited India, but I would love to see India. I really like Indian food, and I just think it's a
Yeah.
very interesting country. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I'm I'm more interested in the Hindu aspect of it than the Islamic aspect, though, because it's the only country really with Hinduism,
Yes.
but there's more Islamic countries. For Islam, I would
Mhm.
be more interested in seeing Saudi Arabia or UAE or somewhere.
Yes.
Mhm.
So, do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like movies.
Mm-hmm.
Um, do you like watching movies?
Yes, Indian movies I like.
You like Bollywood?
Yeah.
What's the best Indian movie?
Mm, my best.
Your favorite,
Yes,
or
my
what I
favorite.
think is the best?
Yes. Secret Superstar
Secret
and
Superstar.
yeah,
Okay.
Secret Superstar and Three Idiot.
Three Idiots. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. A comedy?
No.
No. Three
No.
Idiots. It's not a comedy. What
Actually,
is it?
I watch I watch Pakistani serials.
Pakistani
I
serial.
love Pakistani serials.
Is that
Yes.
like soap opera, like dramas?
Dramas.
Okay, like every day, like new episode every day.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we call that a soap opera in English.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very good.
So, uh, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food. I told you I
Mm-hmm.
love Indian food, but my absolute favorite food is spaghetti and meatballs, an Italian dish. But I
Mm-hmm.
only like this the way my parents make it. So anyone else making it, I don't like it. So I don't always tell them it's my favorite food. But in
uh,
terms of food, I love Italian food and Indian food.
Chinese.
Chinese food, I don't. Well, I lived in China, so I like certain Chinese foods.
Uh-huh.
Um, but Chinese food overall, I would not say is my favorite. What about you? What is your favorite kind of food?
My favorite food is uh chicken and
Chicken, yeah.
yes, biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Yes,
Okay.
you know
I like
biryani?
lamb. I like lamb biryani.
Lamb biryani. Okay. You like
Mm. Oh,
lamb biryani?
yeah. I told you I like Indian food. Yeah, lamb
Mm-hmm.
biryani is delicious. Saffron.
Yes, saffron.
Oh, you're going to make me hungry now, and I just had my dinner.
Okay.
Okay. 20 seconds left. I'll ask a quick, easy question for you, Sahiba.
Mhm.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink and red.
Pink and red. A very
Yes.
girlish answer.
Yeah. Okay, time is
Okay.
over.
Thank you very much. I'll see you some other
Okay.
time. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye bye.